In this video, I'm going to explain a little bit about arrays. So you can think of an array as a list of objects. You could have a list of strings, a list of ints, a list of doubles, a list of cats, if you have a cat object, really anything. So we can make a new array in two different ways here that I'm going to show you. So in the first way, let's make one of strings. So we can do string array equals, and then new string, and then say we want 10 spaces. So now we have a string of 10 empty strings. So yeah, we have a list of 10 empty strings, and we can print it out here, and I can show you. We can print out the array here, and yeah, it gives us this because there's nothing in it. So we can actually add stuff in it by saying array. Let's say we want the index of 0 to be equal to Bob. Now, if we print out the array, it still gives us this, but if we print out array of 0, we get Bob. There we go. So, yeah. And the reason why this is a 0 is because whenever you have an array, it goes, let's say we had 5. So we have A, B, C, D, and E. If we were to have an array, A would be at index 0, B would be at 1, C would be at 2, D would be at 3, and E would be at 4. And that's an array of 5. So yeah, that's how we do the indexes. And let's see. So that's one way to make an array. And the second way is to have the array, let's call it array2 equals new, or let's do this. So if we have the braces here, we can type out a list of stuff just right here. So we can do Bob, Billy, we can do Joe, we can do Jeffrey, and we have an array of 4 here with these already put in. So if I print out the array, it gives us this again, but if I print out array2 of 0, boom, Bob. And if I do 1, we get Billy. If I do 1 here, we get null, because the default for strings, if there's nothing in that spot in the array, then it defaults to null. So yeah, and then we can actually print out the length here. So I can do system.out.println, and then we can do array2.length, and that'll print out the length of the array. So the length of this array is going to be 4 because we have 4 items in it. See? Boom. 4. And yeah, so we can put arrays inside of arrays. We can remove stuff from arrays. Let's do that real quick. So let's do array2 dot, we can do array2 of 2, which should be Joe, equals null. That'll remove it. So now, if we run this and then we print out array of 2, or array2 of 2, then we get null. even though beforehand, if I do it before, it was Joe. So there we go. And yeah, that's just a little bit about arrays. They're really cool, they're super useful, and they're really awesome tools. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.